Hello guys! I'm back and welcome to Arajen Creates! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY Christmas wreath! These are the materials that you will need. First one, a cardboard that is cut into circle, and this is the size on the top. Some garland, sinamay that is cut into leaves, coated wire, scissors, a glue gun, some extra glue stick, Christmas balls, ribbons, and some dried grape stems. Now let's start! Glue the 3 sinamay leaves. Then attach the green ones. Then glue the ribbon. Then add the grape stems. Roll over the garland into the cardboard. Then add the Christmas balls. I hope you like this wreath. Just like and subscribe to this video. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for watching.